Hello, so I installed my VirtualBox and I installed my Ubuntu server, and right now I'm trying to log on to the server. So I'll input my username and my password. Press enter. Right, then I managed to log in. And so this is the first thing that I'm going to do. We also had some questions whereby I had to bring up the questions here. The first question was, what resources are available to you that provide help with Linux commands, utilities, and configuration files? So when working with Linux, there are several resources, and there are manual pages which provide detailed documentation about commands. There are information pages, which are similar to manual pages, but are often more detailed. There's the help option. Many commands offer a help option that gives a brief summary of their usage. Then there is online documentation, websites like the Linux documentation, community forums, question and answer sites. There are books and there are ebooks. The second question was, what are the options for the user mode command? So there are quite a number of them. So I'll just talk about a few. The comment, which changes the user's full name or a comment field. There's this one for home directory, specify a new home directory for the user. Then the expire date, to set the date on which the user account will be disabled. And so on and so on. There's the shell, there's the unlock. Then the third question, what are the options for the shutdown command? So the shutdown brings the system down in a secure way. So some of the common options are the halt, which halts the system after shutdown, the reboot, which reboots the system after shutdown, the power off, which powers off the machine after shutdown, the help, which displays the help for the shutdown command, the cancel, which is the cancel shutdown, the schedule a shutdown in minutes. Then there's also the tell initial to wait seconds between sending processes to the warning queue. So these are some of the options for the shutdown command. Thank you for watching.